Please paddle responsibly and always wear your life jacket. Be smart, be safe, and have fun.
Hi, Charlie Thompson with Northstar Canoes, introducing our new design for this year. It's called the Pearl. Length overall is 15.9. We're trying to get a very classic aesthetic, so we've got a very classic design. Symmetrically rockered, 2 inches in bow and stern, 15 feet 9 inches length overall, max beam of 35, 3-inch waterline is 33 inches. It's available in all of our laminates. All trim options will be available, including E6. We'll be planning on doing this in our stealth lamination. Brand new for this year. This actually happens to be boat number 1 as well. So if you'd like to know more about this canoe, please visit our website at northstarcanoes.com. Thanks.